Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Citibank application. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, if you don't have it downloaded, make sure to download it. So you can just type here, like download Citibank app, and they'll simply just, if you click on the second link, you'll be able to click on if you want to download this on iPhone or even Android, they'll take you exactly where, so you can download it. Of course, if you're logged in with your account, you can simply make it download in your phone. Once it's downloaded, you'll need to open it up. And you can simply now go and log in using user ID, Touch ID, or even Face ID if you enable those two options. I've already made a video on how to enable it, or register for an account if you don't have an account. So now how to use like the mobile application. Example, I'll just show you some like clips from this video. I will not play it for copyright reasons. So example here, now your app, once you're logged in, it's going to be something like this. And as you can see, you can be able to pay now, scan the QR code if you want to pay someone or even more. And of course, you'll be able to make overseas transfers. Like if you want to make transfers to other people in outside the US. And of course, you'll see here like the transfer limits. If you keep sending a lot, you have a transfer limit that you cannot exceed. And of course, you can start adding your fees, make your transfers to multiple currencies, as you can see. You'll be able to do it to India currency, to the pound, to euros, and etc. You'll be able, as an example, to do some investments if you want. And if you apply for a thank you card, as an example, you can get like some rewards and you can benefit with those rewards, as an example. So if you go here to cc.com, it's going to be the same as the app. As you can see, you'll have a lot of options that you can pay with the rewards on. If you want to, so example, pay with Citibank points, and you'll find here as example a lot of options that you can pay with. So you can pay for dining, groceries, gas, clothes, and a lot of stuff. Other than that, as example, you'll be able also, yeah, this is for investing as we said. This is if you want to, as example, make a saving account. It's up to you, basically. So other than that, as example, you'll be able to lock or even unlock your card if you want. You'll be able to pay with it outside the US, as example, if you want. Uh, and yeah, that's basically how to use the app. So you have everything that you need. You'll be able to make transfers and everything. So as example here, easy banking, both done well. About digital, so you'll find all the ones. So e-statement, you'll be able to get your e-statements, upload some document. As an example, you'll be able to lock your card, kill switch, report stolen or lost card. As an example, yeah, online foreign exchange, as we said. So the global wallets, if you want to have portfolio wealth analysis, basically payments and transfers, chats with us, and personal information updates wherever you want. So that's how we basically use the app and what the app is used for. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.